In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete styles or personas in Pikzels AI. Let's get started. First, open Pikzels AI and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side. To delete a style, click on Styles. This will open all the styles you have created or trained inside your account. Beside each style, you will see a small red bin icon. Just click on that bin icon on the style you want to remove. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure, because this action cannot be undone. Click Delete, and that style will be permanently removed from your account. Now, if you want to delete a persona, the process is almost the same. Go back to the left-hand menu and click on Personas. Here you will see all the personas you have trained for face swaps or thumbnail generation. Find a persona you no longer need, then click the red bin icon next to it. Confirm by clicking Delete, and Pikzels AI will remove that persona from your account. That's all there is to it. Deleting styles and personas only takes a few clicks, and it helps keep your Pikzels dashboard organized. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.